Hello everybody. Today we're going to be making a homemade skin cone. So those of you who want to have your own version, your homemade version of your skin cone, you could go ahead and make one for only less than $10. You just have to go to your local supermarket and get one of these. These are the baby bottle tops, and this was about $5 at Walmart. And yeah, it only takes 5 minutes for you to make your very own skin cone or retainer. So yeah, here we go. This is how you make it. Pop this open. Take one of them. Then just gonna want to cut the top off like so. Boom. Right? Now you just want to cut off this this exterior part here. You might want some finer scissors, some smaller scissors, so you could really get in there. But there you go. So yeah, just the rim you want to cut off. Okay. So now we got this. It's actually pretty much done. You could just wear it like this, or you could invert it like so. Oop. Like so. This is gonna look like more so like the sort of bells that you see on restoration devices. So while that might look familiar, this original setup is actually the way to go. Because you have this like tight end here that sort of catches your skin, so you just pop it on top of the head, roll your skin over, and then you just lock it in. And this tight opening here will lock it in for you, and that'll actually work out better, and will stop it from falling off compared to this layout. So yeah, you want to stick with this. So yeah, this is just less than $5 way to make your skin cone, and you just go and buy these and say this is before, this is after. So yeah, you can go ahead and try that out.